Hello everybody, welcome to this platform, and today's video we're going to solve this question. X over the square root of x equals to 2x. You are supposed to find the value of x. Let's provide the solution. Very quickly, and then here first thing is to copy x over square root of x equals to 2x. Right, so what can we do? And we know that this one we have x power 1, right, over x power 1 over 2 equals to 2x. So we can write this one as x power 1 minus, here we have 1 over 2 equals to 2x. So that we can write this one as x power 1 over 2, which equals to 2x. Shall divide x again and x, so this one and this will be cancelled to get x power 1 over 2 minus 1, because we have 1 right here, will be 2. This will be x power negative 1 over 2, which is equals to here 2. And of course we want to remove this negative 1 over 2 that we have right here. We shall write x power negative 1 over 2 power negative 2, which equals to 2 power negative 2. And of course we shall get x power negative 2 over, that is 2 over 2, which is equals to 2 power negative 2, because negative times negative is equals to 2. Positive 2, so here x will be 2 power negative 2 is equals to 1 over 4, and this is our answer. As we know, we have to check if the answer that we have got is correct, because we have given x over square root of x equals to 2x. So that you shall write this one as here 1 over 4 over square root of here 1 over 4 equals to 2 times 1 over 4. So that here we have 1 over 4 divided by 1 over 2 equals to 2 over 4. This will be 1 over 4 times 2 over 1, which is equals to 2 over 4. So that here this will be cancelled to get 1 over 2, which is equals to this one 1 over 2. And of course left hand side equals to right hand side. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe. Bye bye.